Hello everyone. So basically today I have made a bot. So what it does when you give it a tagline for your meme, it outputs 10 Imagen 3 prompts scenarios that would match your tagline. I personally use Imagen 3 because I have tested many of the bots. I haven't tested Midjourney yet because it is paid. I found that Imagen 3 gave the best pictures and with the highest consistency with my prompt, so I use it. And this bot here, it would avoid copyrighted images and names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin because they are not allowed on Printify. And the prompts are all crypto themed unless you tell it otherwise. So this bot was basically helping me to create new meme related products on Printify, printed on demand shops without me repetitively typing in the prompts because the prompts are so long. So let's test it out. So I have a tagline here. Smart contracts are like regular contracts, but with 100% less accountability. So let's see what it spits out. So let's read the first one here. A group of anthropomorphic smart contracts dressed as shady lawyers in neon pinstripe suits, lounging in a courtroom made entirely of bleaching bloodstained cloth, sipping martinis made of glowing ones and zeros, while a confused judge with a vending machine for a head bangs a gavel made of NFTs. So I can't really imagine it, but you can take it to the Imagen 3 boss to draw it out, and you just pick the ones that you think it is more hilarious, and you can always request the boss to spit out more hilarious prompts than these ones if you don't think they are hilarious enough. So there are tens of it, and you can generate more if you want to. So hope that you can try this out. How to access this bot? You have to go to poe.com and you search for explore and you type in hilarious slash meme slash scene. And this is the bot with a cat that says no stress, just vibing. So maybe in the future I will tweak the prompts to be a bit simpler because I think it used some very sophisticated and complex prompts there. So just try it out and give me feedback. Thanks for listening.